Hello, my name is Angelo Balistreri, Customer Service and Product Training Manager here at Prier Products. Today we are going to have our second PKn5. That's product knowledge in less than 5 minutes. We're going to dive into a new product here at Prier that helps tackle some issues that you may incur with a boxed hydrant on a commercial application, but this can also apply to residential applications. The challenge is a narrow cavity. So what happens when we don't have enough space to actually get our wall-mounted hydrant box into a specific wall? For example, Prier offers a commercial hydrant with an elbow that swivels. Perfect if we're just doing it with the hydrant. When we add the box, the hydrant recesses 2 inches into the wall, and now we are not able to accommodate a 4-inch wall application. Our resolution, the brand new P-623 and P-628 narrow wall boxed hydrant. The 623 is going to be a cold only option. Our P-628, you're going to see below here, is a hot and cold option. These valves are going to be ASSE 1052 approved. That means it has a double-checked vacuum breaker and air gap in it for backflow prevention. It's also lead-free. It's listed and labeled at an ASSE NSF 372. So we're checking all the boxes with the code approvals. It's also CUPC certified as well as UPC certified. So lots of great things on the code approval. Now let's talk about what makes this product so unique. The narrow application from where the box mounts to the back of the valve itself is less than 3 inches. So it's going to fit into a 3.5-inch cavity, which is a 2x4 wall. So we're able to solve that with the P-623 and the P-628. Both fit into that capacity. It's going to be made of 18 gauge 304 stainless, so it's going to be very durable. Now, some additional features about this product is you can change the orientation any which way that you choose. So depending on where your water supply is coming from, we are able to accommodate it. You can also do the same with the door. The door can change orientations as well. If you want the door to open right or left, you want it to fall straight down, you want it to go up, all applications are able to be done, and the end user gets to make that decision. So this valve is also going to help on the serviceability side because we include integral valves that allow the shutoff to take place right here. So there is no need to shut the entire system down just to service a valve 20, 30 years down the line. So we take care of that. The maintenance guys are going to love that feature. Now also we include a gasket watertight seal in the back, so you don't need to worry about waterproofing this to make sure water's not getting in. Now in our installation instructions we do include that you should run a bead of silicone around where the door and the body itself are meeting to make sure that we don't have any water going down the inside. All that's going to be covered in the IOM. We are including with this video a link to our website that gives you installation, operation, maintenance instructions. It gives you a sales flyer, gives you a spec sheet where you're going to give you a little 30-second commercial, and we're also having a video that includes the installation of this valve. So there's a lot of great things here. What we want to do is let's get the word out. Let's talk about this new product. Let's get it into the marketplace and sell some product. As always, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime. Our live customer service team is here to always assist. Thank you for joining us on this PKn5.